Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use Expert Option, a leading trading platform designed for both beginners and seasoned traders. Let's start by creating your account. Follow these simple steps to sign up and verify your identity. Navigating the dashboard is simple. In this section, we will familiarize you with the charts and trading tools available. Selecting the right trading asset is crucial. Let's explore the options available and how you can make the best choice. Now that you're set up, let's place your first trade. Follow this detailed walkthrough and manage your funds effectively. Understanding trading strategies can elevate your performance. Here are some basic strategies and tips that will help you trade effectively. Risk management is key in trading. Let's discuss the importance of setting limits and how to manage your risks wisely. Monitoring your performance helps improve your trading skills. We'll look at the available analytics tools to aid in this. Withdrawing your earnings is seamless. Here's how to securely withdraw funds from your Expert Option account. Thank you for watching. Here's a quick recap of what we've covered, and remember, the best time to start trading is now.